write the switch statement. Syntax. What is the syntax of the switch statement? Switch, which is a keyword. Switch is a keyword. Okay. So inside switch, what is that we will write is, we'll write the body of switch. Okay. Switch. This is what is the switch statement. Switch, inside the parenthesis, we will write some expression. Some expression. Okay. What is that expression? What do you mean by an expression? The expression will give you, the examples of expression is, expression is the operands combined with operators. You have number of operands combined with operators is called as an expression. For example, A plus B. A is a variable, B is a variable. Those two operands are combined with plus operator. I want to extend this with into 10. So this is also a expression. A value, variable A value, B value multiplied with 10. So you have three operands combined with two operators. I can also extend this minus C. Okay, so here expression means two or more operands or one or more operands. I'll say two or more operands or more operands combined with operator. Okay, so A plus B into 10 minus C is an expression. Okay, when I take X variable, this is also an expression. This is also an expression. So an expression yields a value. It results in a value. So what is the value of this A plus B into C into 10 minus C? It will give some value. Whatever the value, that value is called as value of the expression. Similarly here, even though I have only one variable, it is giving me some value. It is giving me some value. This is also an expression. Suppose I have a constant 20. This is also an expression. Even though I don't have the operators, it is giving me some value. The value is 20. Okay, these are all examples of the expressions. Okay, now in the switch statement, the expression switch is the keyword. Inside the parenthesis, expression which will give you some value. Okay, followed by body of the switch statement. Okay, so here this expression can yield expression value can be integer or so in the switch statement, the expression value can give me either the integer value or the character value. Okay, followed by body of the switch. In the body of the switch, you will write what is called as case labels. If the expression value is 10, okay, what is that you want to do? Sum statement. Okay, sum statement. semicolon. Suppose the expression value is 5. What is that? Which statement you want to execute? That you have to write here. Okay? Case. If the value is 0, expression value is 0, what is the statement you want to execute? Okay? So if the expression value is 10, this is what the statement 1 I want to execute. If the expression value is 5, I want to execute this statement. If the expression value is 0, I want to execute some other statement. If the expression value is none of these, default. Yeah, default means the expression value is neither 10, nor 5, nor 0. Then I am going to execute this statement. Statement sum n. Sum statement. Is that clear? See, in the switch statement, the syntax of the switch is switch expression. The expression can give me, the value of the expression can be either, the value of the expression can be either integer value or character value. Suppose I take the expression value as integer. Then if the expression value is 10 value, I am going to execute statement 1. If the expression value is 0, we are going to execute statement 3. If the expression value is 5, I am going to execute statement 2. If the expression value is neither 10 nor 5 nor 0, then we will come to default. That means this statement n will be, this statement whatever you have specified in the default, that will be executed. Okay? So, to understand it better, let us write some program using switch to understand it better. So, let me start a new program. Hash include stdio.h standard input output header file main function see, I see the unnecessary charts from the students. I am warning you again and again. If you involve yourself in the unnecessary charts, I am going to dismiss you from the class. Go to meeting. Okay. So, what is the problem we will take up is, we will take up the problem where, so the problem is, suppose the expression value, if I give the value 1, I want to display ONE1, display 1. Okay. If I give the value 2, you display 2. So if I give the value 3, you display the word 3. Okay. Otherwise means default. Otherwise, display if none of these values, neither if the value of the expression is not 1, not 2, not 3, I'll display more than 3. I'll display this message, more than 3. So this is what I'm going to display. Okay. The value I'm displaying, I'm just putting in quotes so that you can differentiate. So if the value is 1, I'm going to display the word 1. If the value of the expression is 2, numerical value 2, I'm going to display the word 2. If the value of the expression is value 3, I am going to display the word 3. Okay, this is what we want to do it. Okay, so let us write the function for this. So what expression I am taking? I am taking an integer expression. So integer variable is also an expression. Just now we have seen the expression value can be a long expression like this. It can be just a variable name. It can also be just a constant value. Okay, so I will take one variable int some x. X is the variable name. I am going to take the value of x from the user. So what is the format specifier here? I am going to read the value of x. So ampersand x. Okay, so for integer, what is the format specifier? D. Okay, now I have the value of x. Now what we will do is, if the value of x is 1, I am going to display the word 1. Okay, if the value of x is 2, we are going to display the word 2. Okay, so let us write switch. What is the expression here? Single variable is also considered as an expression. So my expression is x. Okay. Switch. Sorry, spelling is wrong. Switch. Okay. Followed by body of the switch. Followed by body of the switch. So inside the body of the switch statement, we will write case. Case 1 means what? If the x value is 1, so case 1 colon, you have to put colon. What is that you want? If the x value is 1, we are displaying printf. What is that I am displaying? ONE 1 I am displaying. Okay, then we will give what is called as break. I will tell you what is break. Okay, now what about, so after printing 1, break it. Break it means come out of the switch statement. Break, so when the x value is 1, printf 1, okay, after that break. Break means come out of the switch body. Okay, case, if the x value is 2, colon, printf, because the value is 2, I am going to write the word 2. Okay, after writing this, just break from the switch. That means come out of the switch body. Okay, now case 3, I need not give in sequence. Okay, here I am giving in sequence, need not. We will see that later. Print, what is that I am printing? The word 3. Then after this, I will again break. Break means come out of the switch body. Now, if none of these, if x value is neither 1, nor 2, nor 3, what is the keyword I have to give? Default. Default. Okay, I'll say, I'll just display more than, value is more than 3. More than 3. Okay. 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 Now, you please see the switch statement. The syntax is switch keyword followed by inside the parenthesis, you have to give the expression In this case, the expression is a single integer variable. That means the value of this expression is nothing but the value of the variable. If the value of the variable is 1, then you go to case 1. Whatever is given in case 1 will be executed. What is in case 1? I am just printing the word 1 and coming out. Break means come out of the switch body. Okay? If the value of x is 2, one display statement to display the word 2, then I am coming out of the switch body. Similarly, case 3. Default. Default means x value is neither 1 nor 2 nor 3, then only you come to default. What is given in the default? Printf value is more than 3. Okay. Now, just I will say return. Okay. Return. Okay, is that clear? So the first statement of the function is you are taking the value of x from the user. Depending upon the value of x, you are displaying either 1 or 2 or 3 or this. Let us execute this. Okay. Okay. Now it is asking me to give the value of x. Suppose I give 2. What is displayed? The word 2 is displayed. Okay. Now let us execute again. So why word 2 only displayed? Because x value I have given it as 2. So the first case is not satisfied. That means x value is not 1. So the control will not go to this case. Now x value is 2 means directly it will come to case 2. What is given in the case 2? Printf 2 and then break. What do you mean by break? You will come out of the loop. So when I give break, come out of the switch statement. What is after the switch statement? Return. Okay? Because it is return, now it will not go to case 3 because you have given break after displaying 2. Okay, let me execute again. Okay, suppose I give 3. What is displayed? The word 3 is displayed. Why word 3 is displayed? So in the switch, the value of x is 3. So what will happen when the value of x is 3? Because the value of x is 3, directly you come to where the case label, these are called as labels, case label is 3. So directly you come to 3, execute this printf. Okay, after executing printf, what is the next statement? Break. Break means you will go out of the for loop. Sorry, switch statement. What is after the switch statement? After the switch statement, what is there? Return is there. So go out of the switch body. Okay, let me execute again. Now I give the value 5. Okay. What is the displayed? Value is more than 3. Why this display has come? Because x value is 5. So because x value is 5, so where is the control going? Because it is 5, the label 1 is not satisfied, x value is not 1, not 2, not 3, means where will it go? It will go to the default. Okay, it goes to the default. What is in the default? you have only one printf statement, value more than 2. That is displayed. After that, where is it going? That is end of the body. Automatically you come out of the body, then you come to